Satya Nadella, CEO of Microsoft, just wrote a piece that is flying under the radar for many. But it's not the one to miss if you are serious about AI helping your business grow. Here's the juice for you. Nadella's core line is companies now run on two kinds of capital. Human capital, the thing that you already understand. Knowledge, judgment, relationships, pattern recognition, all that stuff. And token capital, the AI capability a company builds and owns itself. Here's the part that breaks the usual narrative. Human capital does not get cheaper as AI gets better. It gets more expensive because AI without human direction just runs in circles, burning compute. The goal, the connections between domains, the question of what is even worth solving, that still comes from a freaking person. A model without a director is a very expensive intern who never sleeps and produces a lot of confident BS. So the real fight is not about picking the best model. The frontier labs are converging on roughly the same capabilities anyway, and I think most CIOs already sense this, even if their RFPs pretend otherwise. The fight is about the learning system you build on top, your workflows, your accumulated mistakes, your industry-specific weirdness. All of it has to become something a model can use, improve, and reuse. Nadella calls this a hill climbing machine. I like it. I think it's the most underpriced concept in enterprise AI right now. Here's the trap. You can delegate the task. You can outsource the work. The moment you outsource the learning, you become Detroit in 2003. GDP numbers looked fine. The factories did not. We're about to do the same thing with cognition and faster. Governments are already twitching. Expect dependency caps on frontier models within the next few years, maybe sooner. The companies that win the next decade are not the ones with the biggest API bill. They are the ones who treat internal evals, fine-tuned models, and agent-usable institutional knowledge as a strategic asset, not an IT line item buried under the cloud span. 10 years ago, a CTO's biggest decision was which cloud and which SaaS stack. That decision did not really differentiate anyone because everyone ended up with roughly the same Salesforce stack instance anyway, and we're complaining about the same things. The next decision is different. It's how your company accumulates its own experience through AI. This one will not converge. Two companies in the same industry, same customers, same models will look completely different by 2028 based on whether they built the hill climbing machine or rented someone else's. The cheap answer is to keep buying subscriptions. The harder question is the one worth sitting with. What is your company learning that nobody else can copy?